good day or good evening. Hey, this is Larry Aiello. So I'm here in the Milan airport and I want to go over a term that I heard used between men to convey respect to each other. Similar to the word man. In America we use, hey man, thanks man, I appreciate that man. Man is used to convey respect among men. And similar to, I hear in England, when I was in England, mate or chap. In Australia, they'll say those words to convey respect among men. And the word that I heard in Milan used a lot, I was kind of surprised to hear it because I've never heard this in other parts of Italy, but maybe it's used now more often. You can put in the comments if you know, if you've heard this term before, but the word I heard is caro, C-A-R-O, which can mean expensive, but it also means dear. If someone that you know is dear to you, you would use the term caro. But I've had it used to me, and I've heard it used amongst men here in this town. For example, if you're buying, when I was buying something, and they give back, they gave me a cappuccino or whatever. Ecco qui caro. Here you go, dear. I think it's really conveying, here you go, man. They kind of taken the term and perhaps twisted it to a more cool usage. So I've heard it numerous times used to me, and also numerous times used between men to other men. So ecco qui caro, here you go. Grazie Caro. Instead of meaning here you go, dear, I think they're meaning here you go, man. It's a little bit odd, but I've come across it. I've heard it numerous times referred to me and to other men amongst men to convey respect to one another. Now, I don't know if you can use it for a woman, in which you would say the word gotta. You would change the O at the end to an A. So I don't know if that would be appropriate if a man said that to a woman, or if a woman used that for a man. I think it's just a man-to-man thing, but I'm not 100% sure. Of course, you would say if you knew someone on a more intimate level, like your sister or girlfriend, you would use that. Certainly, that would be appropriate to use the word cara, which indicates someone dear to you. But in the context that I've had the word caro used to me here in Milan, it's not used in that manner. It means more like a, hey man, thank you man, to convey respect. A little usage, a little nuance of the word here in Milan. If anyone knows if similar usage in other parts of Italy, then please let me know in the comments. But I've only heard it here, and haven't heard it anywhere else. So if you are interested in learning more Italian, check the link below in the description, and there's links to my other courses too on business and investing. Okay, hope you have a great day. Ciao, ciao.